welcome back to Politics Watch. This is Sir P. Now today I'm going to do a follow-up on the Richie Poo incident. Right? Not because I want to talk about Richie Poo again, but because the video is now circulating all over the internet. The video of the actual attack. Right now I posted it on my community page. Right, a lot of people saw it, but those of you who haven't, you can check it out on politicswatch.com or even Loop and M page of it. Whichever one suits the best. Why am I talking about the video? Oh, and by the way, before I go any further, the police have actually come and clarified that Richie Poo didn't actually win his appeal. Richie Poo got parole. Now when I heard it was parole, I was completely baffled. Because everybody here said 90 years Richie Poo get. So if you get 90 years and get parole normally have to come to at least half or 60% or something like that before them can give you parole. So how that work? I had to go back and do some digging. There was a key word. Look on your screen right now. Even though it said Richie Poo get 90 years, there's a key word in the article. There's a key word enough people overlook, including myself. And that word is concurrently. See, Richie Poo got 3 30-year sentences. And they were to run concurrently. So even though 30 and 30 and 30 and 90, because them run concurrently, he would have only done 30 years. So Richie Poo going about 2005, come out about 2018, so let's call it, he came very close to half of his sentence. That is why Richie Poo got released. Now, don't ask me how him still get released less than half of the 30 years. Right. Still don't make any sense to me, but at least now it's clearer. Right. So he wasn't sentenced to 90 years, like even though you're sitting on your screen, and that's everybody know Richie Poo get 90 years. The key word in all of this, right, is concurrently. So he would have only done 30 years. But anyway, let's get into the real focus of this video. You see, when I watch the CCTV footage of the youth them, right, draw down upon Richie Poo and the people in the car, because as I said in the first video, him in a taxi, them stop, come out, youth them on the bike, right, they have a ride on the pillion, draw down upon him like a long time, and trail him and wait for the right time, right. At the pillion alone have a weapon. The pillion start attack Richie Poo and the man in the car. You know what I see in the video there? A giant 87 circus. What am I telling you, sir? 87s. Now for the reputation what them have is built purely on the fact that the people them go for can't defend themselves. Now forget about Richie Poo for a second or so. Because due to who him is, enough people probably all are root for the shooter. But let's pretend this was a group of, not even a group, just a single licensed firearm holder or a single policeman who's armed or whatever did up on the scene. You know what that happened? The 87 pillion and the rider would have dead. When you watch the video, when I tell you about circus, when you talk about bad circus, I'm not talking about bad like how Jamaicans say, yeah man, the shoes are bad or the movie are bad, which is a good thing, or it's like a compliment. No, I mean really bad. See, when you see them kind of footage, you understand why I talk about 87s. I'm telling you, say, if them just get some kind of resistance, most of them dead. Even your biggest baddest 87s don't want to think about. That's why I tell people all the time, you're down for your corner, want to look big up and talk about and him kill 5 man, 10 man, 15 man. Personally, I don't take it that serious. Because you see these kind of video clips, this is how your favorite 87 build them reputation. This is how them go for, man. Right? And even though they are so sloppy and outright cartoonish, because them still have a gun at them and them can fire off as much rounds as it take. Usually them end up get the victim and then go back on the car and go brag. But somebody like me, when I look at videos like this, all me I do a laugh. This is ridiculous. And I know people are go, even the same 87s them will go for Richie Poo, probably are listening right now and I say, you can't go on chat. Anyway, we catch you. Anyway, we catch you, me and give about 10 rounds. No, you won't. No, not with that kind of shooting, you won't. See, people in Jamaica must understand something. When I tell them say I'm pro self-defense, pro gun, if the people them could defend themselves, enough 87 would have put on gun. A video like them here, get my point across. Video like these are 10 times more effective than anything we can say. From you see all them drawdown points, at one point the shooter and Richie Poo are basically a wrestle. If there was just a single man on the scene, without one pop, the shooter dead. All the rider for the bike, he might be cool. The rider cooler than the shooter. The rider the most chilled out man. The rider look like say, you know, somebody just say, drop me down the road now. And then drop you and then them. Alright, wait for me, I go in the shop go buy something. I saw the rider just chill out. That rider is cool like a cucumber. If somebody dead with a gun, that rider dead. He might dead before the shooter. Because the rider in a whole other world. Right. I don't know where that daydream pan. But now if you understand, the reputation of these infamous killers, right, you know, killers that my Jamaicans love so much. Their victims, the overwhelming majority, I'm talking over 90% of them, were unarmed when they go for them, and the ones them who were armed never get a chance to reach feet. But here's the thing. These type of 87s, when they go up on these kind of Mickey Mouse ups, them go back on the corner, then go back to them ends and them brag. Yo, you want a student and the boy run across the road, and when time run him down and go for this time, run go across the road, and in them community people praise them. I see when I run down the boy and yeah man, you're a real shooter dog, and my student and you beat it, just beat it down the road dog, and one time I see you start beat it across the road. That man I tell him on the corner. But all I'm seeing in that video is a circus, a complete circus. So this is why when they pull up on certain ends and they might try to rob certain ends or they might try to shoot certain people and the people them turn around and bring the heat back to them, you normally hear say the 87 dead. Let me tell you something, Mr. Licensed Firearm Holder, or Mr. Police or Mr. JDF, whoever, anybody who legally have a weapon in Jamaica. The number one thing you want to get right is that you see them a come. Because if you spot that 87 and you can reach for your weapon and start challenging, I have good news for you, the odds are in your favor. Even the biggest, baddest 25, 30 victim 87, man, kill a bunch of people and fear in them community. If he comes for you, once you see him and you can reach for your weapon, the odds are now in your favor. You are more likely to kill him and he is likely to kill you. So your hardest job, or your most important job, is to be vigilant. Because at the sneak up and I will kill you. At the fact them catch you and stop right here now look. Ride up on you with a bike fast before you can reach for you when I say you're dead. But if you see him and him see you, if I was a betting man, I'd have bet on you. And this applies to the biggest, baddest 87s them, the one them have them pitch up on wall over the place. Reputation make of a killing people who never get a chance to defend themselves. So that's the difference, you know. Let me tell you something right now. Me even talk to the 87s them now. Because I know when people hear me talk certain things on video, them vex, because I say, sir, if you're this thing, I know how much people me kill. Let me tell you something, Mr. 87. Gunshots sound different when it's going away from you compared to how it sound when it come toward you. And that is when you really see what a supposed killer is made of. Right. See, a one thing for go over Shadiga Park and walk in our house, pure woman and pitney, or walk going to Shaman and watch your house, or go up a trial lights and put 81-year-old on them knees and then run down 6-year-old. But we've seen enough examples of what happened when 87s meet a challenge, as we saw with the Crichton men in St. James, as we see in stories day in, day out. The Richie Poo shooting video, to people like me, is a complete circus. But me understand, say, all over Jamaica, people that watch the video and all celebrate and I big up 87. Yo, them meet are reals. You need to let them go for it and run over yourself. Me understand, no people actually think that this video is actually impressive. But all I saw was a giant circus. All you need is a couple elephants. Right, and one of them tiger they will dance in one ring of fire. Complete circus. And that wouldn't be a problem except for the fact say them stray shot them go down the road and go kill granny in our house, or go down the road and go catch one 14-year-old that come from school, or go down the road and catch one baby in our crib. That's the real problem with this kind of reckless 87 style of shooting, you know. If you know for a fact say the rounds them now gonna be wouldn't be a problem, that's fine, go ahead. But because gunshot now in the eye, I went telling them shoot over people across the road, shoot over man down the road, even though they were originally within meters. They were within, I mean at one point in the video, the bike ride right down upon the man them. Right down upon the man them. And them still find themselves in a situation them have to fire while shot of a man, cross road, down road and all kind of foolishness. But think about this. This happened on Old Hope Road. Old Hope Road, busy place. People are walking about in business, people are driving about in business. Someone is a young 9 car or driving a car on Old Hope Road, and next thing you know, round gone through windscreen. They send a picnic car shop, because they sat outside one shop. And next thing you know, then pick up around. But thankfully, nothing like that never happened on that particular day. When you hear me say Jamaica is a Netflix series, things like them I talk about. And if it wasn't for the facts are real bullets them I use, it would have been funny and we could have laughed about it every day. But real lives are being lost, real shit are being fired. And in a them movie, you get a chance to say cut. And you get a chance to say, you know, like when in a show and you director say cut and you can do over the scene or replace it and move on that and I start working in real life. But I'm glad the video come out still, because people in Jamaica need to see who them give all this credit and all these ratings. Even some of the people that might have done videos about man with much murders attached to them name, if you could have seen some of the apps some of them go up on, I still made them look. So it's good that the people in Jamaica can see the idols them what them look up to. You know, cause you know, I don't know, we love Gunman, love 87 bad, love 87 like cook food. Right? So when you can see when the heroes them at work. Right? But as for me and my bros them, it's a complete joke. Complete circus. I'm just glad to say that innocent people and get caught in the crossfire. And nobody not fear bury them pitney or bury them granny because Wildman 87 and them Wildman ops take a random innocent life. But do you have it for today, people? As me say, you can check out the video at politicswatch.com or Loop or wherever you want to go. It's all over the place if you haven't seen it yet. Take it in. Your perspective might be different. Especially, remember, my perspective is coming from, you know, a different background. So I wouldn't be surprised if most people watch that video and think to themselves, yo, they're tough, you like that real shooter, like that real. I wouldn't be surprised. But as far as I'm concerned, brother, if you listen to this, go look at work, my youth. Go look at work and put on gun thing. Right. Because the next circus gun attack might be a loss. Patreon squad, big up on yourself. PIA, you don't know, more life. Vulture squad, stay circling. Bless.